Hello, my name is Njibia Emmanuel. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my Contact API Project 1 application. This application is a REST API that connects to MongoDB database. As you can see, MongoDB database, and allows users to retrieve contact information. First, I will demonstrate the API endpoint. I have deployed it to my application using render. So I will open it on the browser. When I go to the contact endpoint, all contact stores in the MongoDB database will be retrieved in the JSON format, as you can see. Then when I check a single ID, a single contact ID, I copy and paste into my contact route. You can see the application successfully returns a single contact based on the ID. This confirms that both required get endpoints are working correctly. Next, I will briefly explain the architecture of my application. I follow the MVC design pattern. My project is organized into separate folders. You can see from my VS Code, I have the database, I have the controller, and I have the route, the contact route, and the server file. The route folder, which is the contact JS, only retrieves, defines the API endpoint. The get endpoint, get all endpoints, and the get single endpoint have been defined. And the config folder shows the database. The config folder here shows the database folder, which handles the MongoDB connection separately. So the routes don't manage connection logic directly. So the server.js file connects everything together by linking the route to the application. This separation of concern makes the code more organized, scalable, and follows best practices and easy. Now I will show you how I handle the security. Sensitive informations such as the MongoDB connection strings here is stored in the env env file. This file is not uploaded to GitHub. If you check my GitHub, you can see that the files, the env file is not uploaded as shown here. In my git ignore file, I also added .env and node module to ensure that no sensitive data or unnecessary files are exposed to in the repository as I shown before. So finally, I will confirm deployment. This application is running on render as earlier shown too, and is accessible through the public URL that earlier, not in the local machine. All endpoints are fully functional in the deployed environment. All endpoints are fully functional. You can see the contact endpoint as shown before. Are fully functional. Not fully functional. Okay. The deployed environment. And also, this project demonstrates working API endpoints, proper MVC architecture, also secured handling of sensitive data, and successful deployment. Thank you. Bye bye.